What if I told you almost half of startups fail because they ship something nobody actually wants? Would you really bet your whole budget on an idea you haven't validated? That's the hard reality in product development. The biggest challenge usually isn't engineering or manufacturing. It's making sure you're solving a real problem and making sure you can actually build it at scale, on time, and within budget. Right now, a lot of teams are sprinting to launch, but too many skip the steps that separate a solid product from an expensive lesson. They skip early user interviews, they downplay prototyping, they treat design like a final polish step, and that's how budgets get burned and opportunities get missed. There is a smarter way to do it. Creative product design is how you take a rough idea and turn it into something the market is actually ready for, using a structured process that starts with validation. It's not just about looking cool, it's about bringing industrial design, mechanical engineering, electronics, and user testing together from day one. At Rabbit, we do that under one roof. With a collaborative end-to-end process, we start with user interviews to uncover real pain points. We develop concepts in parallel across design and engineering, and we build and test interactive prototypes so you can confirm it works before you spend big on tooling and production. That validation-first approach goes straight after the two killers we see all the time: no real market need and running out of cash halfway through. Because you're proving demand and manufacturability before you commit, from patent research to design for manufacturing, our in-house team covers the full chain, so you're not juggling vendors. And you're not discovering gaps that slow everything down later. And this isn't just a nice idea on a slide deck. It's how successful teams actually build products. Companies that invest in design early can see up to 32% higher revenue growth and around a 76% success rate in product innovation. Put simply, creative product design is the shortest path from idea to a product customers actually buy. If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't gamble on guesswork, and I definitely wouldn't cut corners on validation. Because if you keep skipping research and testing, you're almost guaranteed to burn budget without getting to a real launch. If you want to move from concept to something the market is ready for, check out the link on the bio and learn more. And if this was helpful, subscribe and hit like so you don't miss the next one.